Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I am Tonushri and welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, I want to say that if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. This video is all about the initiative that I took during my quarantine days in the lockdown. I tried to make a mask using a cloth. So let's start. Here are the things that we need for making the mask. A cloth of our choice. Measuring tape, holding pins, needle and thread, scissor and a chalk for marking, elastic. The length of the cloth is 8 inch and width is 6.4 inch. You can take other size also. 2 small strips of cloth of 4 into 1.4 inches. Elastic length 9.5 into 0.5 inch. You can take according to the size of your requirement. So let's start. Here I am taking the cloth. It shows 8 inches and a bit more I have taken for safety purpose. The two cloths are of same size that we are taking. Now we will stitch both the clothes by its sides, on both the sides. After stitching both the sides, I will stitch the top and the bottom portion. So the width is about 6.2 inches. It has reduced due to stitching. Now we will mark for folding. Okay. The first marking I will do at 1.3 and 1.6. The next marking I will do on 3 and 3.3. And the last one will be on 4.8 to 5.1. Like the same way, I will mark it on the other side also at the same gappings. Now we will fold this the way it is being shown in the video, and we will try to hold it using a holding pin. Please be careful with the holding pins because they may hurt your fingers. In the same way we'll do with all the 6 foldings. 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. So after using the holding pins and folding the cloth, it is going to look like this, and we should check that the measurement on both the sides are same. So it shows 3.2 in this side and 3.2 in the other sides also. So now we are going to stitch these to make the foldings permanent on both the sides. So this is how it is going to look after stitching and removing the pins. Now we are going to take two strips of 1.4 into 4 inches and again going to stitch those along the sides. These strips are going to hold the elastic. We'll try to keep space while folding and not sticking it too much to the clothes, so that we can insert the elastic through it. Now the stitching is done, and now I'm taking two elastics of length 9.4 inch and width is 0.5 inches. I took this because I was making this mask for my father, and I will use a safety pin to insert the elastic. This is how I'm going to insert the elastic. I'm really sorry for the sound that is coming in the background. It is heavily raining outside. So we will insert the elastic on both the sides and then ultimately stitch it so that it makes a circular shape and doesn't come out. So our mask is ready, and this is the final look of the mask. Ta-da! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and give your comments in the comment section. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.